I will be proud to announce week 2 of Mellow of the Week. This person was nominated because ever since the start of the week, they've really caught our eye. And she has only continued to really show how much of a marcher she is. And I feel like this whole week she's been the best marcher in the whole band. And I don't know, she's improved a lot, and she's individually, she's a very strong marcher. And I feel like that could help influence the whole section. So I am pleased to announce that Becca is our Mellow of the Week. Come up here, Becca.
Yo, what's up, guys? We out here. We out. Yeah, he's chilling. Look at this dude.
Hey, give it.
Look at it. Hi. Hello. Hi. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm passing the phone to someone who plays too much Roblox.
What'd you say? Too much Roblox. Too much Roblox. Anyways, I'm passing the camera. I was about to say phone to the person who. Should I be devious? Yeah. Who gets called out the most?
I'm passing the phone to someone who's sad all the time because his boyfriend graduated last year.
Yeah.
What? I'm passing the phone to someone who's too quiet. I don't really know.
I'm passing this phone to someone who says things way too much out of context.
I'm gonna pass the camera to somebody who thinks he knows what he's doing with robotics.
What did you say? Anyway, you know, I'm gonna pass the phone to someone who is way too obsessed with K-pop.
You had to wait for it. Do I run at me? This one? Yeah. I'm passing the camera to someone who makes their whole life about band. You.
I'm gonna pass this to somebody who knows everybody's secrets, and she could literally blackmail all of us.
Ooh, let's see. I'm passing the camera to someone I feel really bad about bullying a lot and editing his face onto really funny, albeit kind of mean things.
So anyway, I'll pass it to someone who also spends too much time on some very strange games on Roblox.
Oh, they got it, stop it.
From the Bighorn Canyon in Wyoming to the Grand Canyon and Antelope Canyons of Arizona, the landscape of these great canyons is unique to America and are truly breathtaking. Canyons bring to life legend, lore, and human history. Sit back and enjoy the pageantry of movement, music, and landscape as that Wylie Band presents their 2022 competition show entitled Canyon Echoes, featuring the music, Grand Canyon Fanfare, Kingfishers Catch Fire, Hymn to a Blue Hour, and Wind River. And now, under the field commander, Kyle Kamashige, Renata Fernandez de Howard, Alexis Mora, Joanna Onorambu, and Jackson Slaughter, please welcome to the field, that Wylie Band.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
That Wylie band has received 1 straight first division sweepstakes rating at the UIL marching contest. A consistent UIL anthem finalist and has advanced to the UIL marching championship 4 times.
Oh my god.